How to fix WhatsApp we could not send an SMS to your number problem. Hello everyone, it's me Smile and I will say you how you can solve this problem right here. For that, do watch this video till the very end. Make sure that you have WhatsApp on your phone, but this type of problem is shown on your screen. Then what can you do? Just tap for a long time on your WhatsApp, tap on app info. After tapping on app info, so just tap on manage notifications. Make sure that all the notifications are enabled. Go on storage users. Make sure that you have your cached clear all the datas. And after you do this, go back and now uninstall your WhatsApp just by tapping on it and tap on uninstall button. And after uninstalling, go on the Google Play Store or App Store. If you are an iPhone user, go on the search bar and simply search for WhatsApp and update to its latest version. Make sure that you have installed the latest updated version of WhatsApp and now install it again and see if it works or not. Update and recover all the chats. When it shows you want to recover, then after recovering and updating it to its latest version, your problem will be solved. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, do thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.